Un jour, dans un joyau oublié en Suisse,
A new wind is blowing today. I think I can see the shore. It was so dark yesterday. I never did hope for more.
I'd like to say that I'd like to stay, 'cause you see once you find at the end of the day, I just need a simple favor, please be insane. Take me back the time where I couldn't find the simple things in life, but the only kind I wanted to try is the
quoi de mieux qu'une petite mise en jambe? Aujourd'hui, je t'emmène dans un ouvrage d'infanterie creusé sans aucun explosif, à même la molasse, durant la Première Guerre mondiale.
They say you like to feel the ocean on your bare feet when the tide is overflowing and you wonder what it's like out on the planet's other side.
Cette balade va s'achever par une petite halte au bord du lac.
Don't you know the way we could see the world together? We could ride the wind forever and I say we let it take us. know the thrill is in the unknown parts, just over the hills, and it's all ours for the taking. Let's do something kinda crazy. Got this feeling, can't escape it. Pack your wings, 'cause I know that we could see the world together. We could ride the wind forever now. Say we let it take us. I believe we might have the time of our lives. Set a course so we can fly anywhere we set our eyes.
Si tu as aimé cette vidéo, merci de mettre un petit pouce en l'air et pense à t'abonner, ça m'aide beaucoup. Merci pour tout.